The diagram on the right shows a circle with center O. PQ is a tangent to the circle. PQ is a tangent to the circle at this point. Given that PQ is equal to 2OP, the length here is equal to 2 times of the length here. Determine the value of angle X and angle Y. Give your answer in minutes and degree. So if this is a tangent, this is a radius, then we know that here will be 90 degrees, right? So the question tells you that PQ is equal to 2OP. OP is a radius, so I just let it be R centimeter. If here is R centimeter, PQ is 2 times of this. So PQ will be equal to 2R centimeter. Okay, now we want to find the angle X, and this is a right angle triangle. When we look at right angle triangle, we always think about trigonometry and Pythagorean theorem. So now we are talking about angle, right? Now look at this triangle. So here we are going to use trigonometry to help us to get this angle. Tua Castle, still remember this? So some students remember Socato is totally up to you as long as you remember tangent is actually opposite side divided by adjacent side. Cosine is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. And sine is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is actually very easy. Majority of the students will have no problem to identify which side is hypotenuse. Just the opposite and adjacent you need to be careful. Okay, let's do a quick revision. If you have a right angle triangle, the side which is the longer side of this three sides or is always opposite the right angle, this will be hypotenuse. Hypotenuse side. And the adjacent and opposite side will depend on the position of the angle. If the angle is over here, opposite will be here, and adjacent will be here. Okay, so if I change the position of the angle, let's say this time, let me draw another triangle. Okay, now I change the theta become here, but the hypotenuse side still the same. Always is the longer side of a right angle triangle, or the side which is opposite the right angle. So here still hypotenuse. But now the angle is over here, the opposite side will be here. Adjacent will be here. Okay, now let's look at this one. So we should use tangent, cosine, or sine to help us to get the this angle. So I will be using tangent. Tangent angle X is equal to DOA, opposite divided by adjacent. OA. Okay, so the R here I can simplify it. So here 1 divided by R divided by R. So tangent angle X is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, be careful, 1 over 2, not 2. Okay, so we want to find this angle. Angle X is equal to arc tangent or tangent inverse 1 of 1 over 2. So this one, you just press your calculator. Take out your calculator. Since that you want tangent inverse, this yellow in color, you have to press shift first. Then press this one. Then your calculator know that you want to press the one in yellow color. 1 over 2 or 0.5 is the same thing. But the question asks us to give our answer in degree and minutes. So we want to change it to degree and minutes. So if this part is 30 and above, we have to add 1 over here. So this is 54, therefore we need to add 1. So it becomes 26 degree 34 minutes. 26 degree 34 minutes. Okay, so this is the size of angle X. Now let's go to angle Y. Whenever we get the answer, write the answer on the diagram, so easier for us to solve the second part, because sometimes we need the answer from the first part to help us to solve the second part. So this is 26 degree 34 minutes. So if I have this, can I know the angle here? Definitely no problem, right? For a triangle, the sum of the interior angle will be always equal to 180 degree. So if I know this is 26 degree 34 minutes, here is 90 degree, then I should know the angle here. I should be able to get the angle here. Angle POQ is equal to 180 degree minus this, minus 26 degree 34 minutes. Okay, just take out your calculator. 180 minus 90 minus 26 degree 34 minutes. Okay, 63 degree 26 minutes. 63 degree 26 minutes. So I know this is 63 degree 26 minutes. Okay, until now we have two ways to get the value of y. Look at this triangle. We know that this triangle is actually an isosceles triangle. How do we know? Because this is the radius of the circle. This is also the radius of the circle. Definitely these two sides will be in same length, right? So this is an isosceles triangle. If this is y, then we know here will be y also. So some students will find this angle first, and then take 180 degree minus this divided by 2. Okay, I will show this method first, so later on I show you another method. Let me find this angle. Angle, this is ROQ. ROQ is equal to 180 degree. A straight line always will be 180 degree. So here is 180 degree. I want here, I need to take 180 degree minus this 63 degree 26 minutes. Okay, so just press the calculator. You should be able to get this 116. Okay, let me check. 180 minus 63 degree 26 minutes. 116 degree 34 minutes. Okay, this is 116 degree 34 minutes. Now, can you get the value of y? It should be no problem, right? Okay, I'll write over here. To get the value of y, we take 180 degree minus this divided by 2. We know that the sum of the interior angle of a triangle will be always equal to 180 degree. 180 degree plus, this angle, which is 116 degree 34 minutes, plus y plus 2y, now we have 2y, right, will be always equal to 180 degree, because this is a triangle. So in the exam, you actually don't have to write this step. You can just take 180 minus this one divided by 2. Okay, so this I bring over here. 2y is equal to 180 minus 116 degree 34 minutes. Okay, just press your calculator. You should be able to get 63 degree 26 minutes. This is 2y. So y will be equal to 63 degree 26 minutes divided by 2. So just press your calculator. 63 degree 26 minutes divided by 2. Okay, 31 degree 43 minutes. 31 degree 43 minutes. Okay, this is one of the way to get the answer. So let's say if we don't want to do it this way, we have another way which is faster. To use a second method, first we need to understand this. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. We know that A plus B plus C will be always equal to 180 degrees, right? So what's the angle here? Let me use another color. What is the angle here? This angle will be equal to A plus C. So you notice that A plus B plus C, you get 180 degrees, a straight line. So what is the angle here? Will be equal to these two, B plus C. So what is the angle here? Will be equal to these two, A plus B. Okay, if you understand this concept, then it will be easier for us to solve this question. This is a straight line. We know that this angle is actually equal to 2y, right? Okay, so let's write an equation. 2y is equal to 63 degree 26 minutes. So what's y? 63 degree 26 minutes divided by 2. So you will get back exactly the same answer as what we got just now. 31 degree 43 minutes. Okay, so this is another way to solve this question. But first, you need to understand this concept. Next, let's try question number 4. The diagram on the right shows two circles with radius 3 cm and 2 cm, centered at O and P respectively. Given the length of CD and DQ, CD is equal to DP. Here and here, same length. CD is equal to DP. And we know that this is 2, right? Here definitely will be 2 also, because these and these are actually the radius of this circle. So here will be 2, and CD is equal to DP. That means here is 1, here is 1. Okay? Calculate the length in centimeter, correct to 2 decimal places. We want to find OP, BS, and BST. Okay, let me enlarge this diagram so easier for you to see it. So first part we want to find OP. OP is over here. Now, can you know this OD? This is OCD and P. Can you know the length of OD? Yes, right? OD is equal to 3 cm. Here is 3, here will be 3 also. So OD is equal to 3 cm. So can you know this? Yes, we know that this 2, here will be 2 as well. And the question tells us that here and here same length. That means 1 and 1. So we know DP is equal to 1 cm. Now, we have no problem to get the length of OP. OP is actually equal to OD plus DP, which is 3 plus 1. So the answer will be 4 cm. OP is equal to 4 cm. Oh, 4 cm. Okay, now let's proceed to second part, BS. BS. This is a radius which is 3 cm. This is the radius of this circle which is 2 cm. So we want to find BS. So what we can do is, we can think this way. Let me draw a line over here. BS. Now I bring the line go up like this. Okay, so if I can get the length here, then I will be able to get the length here, right? These two are the same length. Here is 2 centimeter. Here is 3 centimeter, but this is 2, right? This is 2 centimeter because here 2 centimeter, here will be 2 centimeter as well, and here will be 1 centimeter. And just now we got the answer OP, which is equal to 4 centimeter from here all the way to here, 4 centimeter. Can we get this length, which is equal to BS? Yes, right? We can use Pythagorean theorem to help us to get BS. BS is equal to 4 square minus 1 square root. Okay, just press your calculator. This is 16 minus 1 will be 15, square root of 15. 3.87 centimeter. Okay, so this is 3.87 centimeter. So for this Pythagorean theorem, I hope that you still remember this. You learn it in Form 1. Let's say if you have a right angle triangle. So always remember for a right angle triangle, you can remember this way: 2 short, 1 long. So short, short, long. So if you want to find the side for the longest side, long side, let's say C, a square plus b square square root. We use plus. If you want to find the length of the shorter side, short side, a or b, let's say if you want to find a, minus c square minus b square square root. If you want to find b, minus c square minus a square square root. So I'm applying this one. So this is a short, short, long, right? So I need to find the shortest side, minus 4 square minus 1 square square root. Okay, now let's go to the last part, which is BST. We want to find the length here, BST. Let me draw a line over here. From here all the way to here. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, can you see a right angle triangle here? You have a right angle triangle here. So as I told you just now, when you see right angle triangle, we always think about trigonometry and Pythagorean theorem, right? So here I can use trigonometry to help us to get BST. If I know this angle, then I will be able to get the side length here. So first I want to find this angle. So I can use cosine. Cosine, part C. Cosine theta angle BOP. CAH, right? Cosine is equal to adjacent to hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Okay, now we can find the angle BOP first. Cosine inverse of 1 over 4. So the angle is 75.52 degree. So this is 75.52 degree. Okay, now we have this angle, we have this side, we should be able to get the length here. Here I will be using tangent. Why I use tangent? Because tangent is angle is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite, which is here, the side that I'm going to find the length, BST, or I just write BT. Okay, since the question say BST, I just follow it, BST. Tangent equal to opposite divided by adjacent. We know the adjacent side, which is 3. So now we can get the length BST easily. BST equal to, move the 3 over here, 3 times tangent 75.52 degree. Okay. Just press your calculator. 3 times tangent 75.52. Okay, so the answer is 11.62 centimeter.